Gocator 2D smart cameras are powerful, self-contained vision systems engineered for industrial inspection. They deliver exceptional performance by combining high-resolution image capture with advanced edge AI processing directly on device. These cameras feature global shutter sensors in 5 and 12 megapixel resolutions, available in monochrome or color. Designed for challenging applications, they deliver the high dynamic range and low noise performance required for precision imaging. At the core is an NVIDIA Jetson Orin NX module, enabling AI training and inference directly on the device. This edge-native architecture eliminates the need for a PC, cloud connection, or middleware. By utilizing real-time production data, you can build and run deep learning models right at the source. This allows you to handle complex tasks like anomaly detection and classification without the lag or expense of cloud infrastructure. All configuration is managed through the GoPxL browser-based platform. This allows you to build complete inspection pipelines that combine AI and traditional tools, scale them across multiple cameras, and deploy them quickly with no coding or recurring fees. Combine AI classification and defect detection with our robust rule-based vision tools to dimension features, identify parts, or label defects. Users can create custom pipelines using a full suite of tools, including pattern, line, circle, blob, intensity, track, as well as barcode and OCR. The system then communicates directly with the PLC to accept valid parts or reject bad parts. For applications requiring real-world units, Gocator 2D provides a fully integrated checkerboard calibration routine. This corrects for optical distortion and mounting tilt, ensuring measurements are repeatable, even if the camera is reinstalled or shifted. To ensure optimal image quality, the Gocator 2D features dedicated I/O for lighting control, supporting ring, bar, and backlights. This allows for precise strobing to capture sharp images of fast-moving targets. Built for the factory floor, Gocator 2D is fanless, IP67 rated, and uses M12 industrial connectors. It integrates directly with factory systems using Ethernet IP, Profinet, and Modbus. Users can also archive results to a local network or an FTP server hosted onboard the camera. Gocator 2D was made possible through collaboration with fellow TKH companies Allied Vision Technologies and Eurosys. To see if Gocator 2D is a good fit for your application, reach out to our solution experts at lmi3d.com.